When you hear the words Ames and acreage, what's the first thing that comes to mind? We can guarantee this is not what you have in mind. So today I'm going to take you on a journey of this amazing acreage in North Ames. This home is located in the Gilbert School District, just minutes from the Ames Golf and Country Club in Somerset. The pond is amazing, the views here, it's quiet, it's peaceful, it's relaxing. You're sure going to love everything you have to see here. This gorgeous acreage has over 4,600 square feet of finished space, has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It includes an amazing dog wash area. This home has a 5-car attached garage, which is heated and cooled, and it has a 500 square foot outbuilding on top of that. You'll love the views here on this acreage. This home sits on almost 2 acres of land, includes your own private pond, and has a perfect outdoor patio and deck space for your family and entertaining friends. With this home, you'll get the benefits of enjoying the wildlife, the nature, the quietness, while all being close to all the amenities of being close to town and off a hard surface road. We hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful property. For more details, please contact us today.